In this week's video, we're going to show you the start of our build, which starts out with some flooring and ceiling work. Not the most glamorous work that we're doing on the van, but it's the beginning, and here you guys go. I'm ready to take out the subfloor. All the screws are out. I tried getting it out myself, but I'm going to need help from Jen. Got the stock floor out. Now I'm going to start installing this Killmat 80 mil floor. Sound deadening. It's also great for waterproofing the floor. If something spills, it'll prevent rust. All right, the Killmat is down. Now we're putting in the Reflectix, and then the stock subfloor is going to go back in.
This is the view of it all from the back. And the guys just went to go get the floor that comes with the van. We're going to put that in next. Good thing about doing stuff in your hometown is that you can get your friends to come over and help you carry stuff. Yay!
When we got the van, I knew the location wasn't going to be ideal. It's literally right on the street in front of Jen's mom's house, and there's no garage access near it, and there's really no place for the tools. Just got here to Jen's uncle's, and this is the new place where we're gonna be working on the van. Okay, day one at the new location. I'm gonna be starting on the ceiling today and installing the pieces of wood that attach to this rib with the board that the ceiling is going to attach to. But first, I need to put insulation, put Havelock wool insulation into these ribs. I'm going to be doing the framing for the ceiling, which is one board going across the span of the rib. And then I'm going to be installing these pre-cut backing boards up to this rib, so the ceiling board right here can attach to it. While I was cutting the boards, I realized that this location is just so much better. It's so much easier to get things done instead of walking to the street at the other location and then walking to the garage, walking to the back of the yard to have to cut pieces. So this is so much better. Okay, that's one row. And this is what it looks like from the other side. I'm just putting glue on the piece, screwing it in place. That was the 7th one. Now the next step is installing this this rafter in place, and I'm going to be installing this with a nail gun. I'll be nailing the board to these backer boards, and I will also be screwing into the metal rib to give it additional support. With these rafters at 6 foot 2 1/4, we're looking at a finished ceiling height of probably 6 foot 1 1/2, maybe 6 foot 1 3/4. Our kids are 6 feet tall, 6 foot 1, so hopefully they won't have much ducking to do and they'll just be able to walk through. Now for additional support for these rafters, I'm going to put some screws in the rib. So that'll provide some additional support in addition to the nails. All right, I'm going to do that to all the rafters, and I'll probably do a row down the middle, and a row down each side. Now we have the floor prep done, the ceiling prep is done. Next week we're going to be starting on the insulation. The new site is working out really well. I can't believe it. Things are starting to move right along.